Building great apps that your customers can rely on is a lot of work. You need to test every time you commit new code. You have to monitor the app on users' devices so you know immediately if your latest release is running slow or crashes. Management tasks like testing and monitoring can take a lot of time, and as software developers, we'd rather spend that time writing great code. A nice solution to this problem is to automate as much of the management tasks as you can, so you can maximize your coding time. Join mobile application development experts Mark Taparaskis and Jesse Dietrichson as they show you how to use App Center to automate your app delivery lifecycle. We'll start with what's called continuous integration, where we'll automatically build and test your app in the cloud every time you commit a new release of source code. We'll show you how to do continuous delivery, where App Center automatically deploys new versions to your beta testers and gathers analytics. We'll even use App Center to send targeted push notifications to your users. You'll be working through a series of videos and exercises where you can see how it's done and then immediately try it out for yourself. We've provided completed solutions to help you verify your work. By the end of this course, you'll have used App Center to integrate a continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline into an iOS Swift application. We strive to create a 5-star experience for you. If at any point you feel that this course is less than a 5-star rating, please let us know by leaving us a rating and a review with what we should change or fix. We love hearing from you and will take your feedback into consideration when improving the course to better fit your needs.